Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to adjust brightness level on itel Alpha Lite. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to your setting in your itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. In settings, okay, go to display. And display, okay, you can see the brightness level, okay. You can tap this to adjust. And the pop-up bar show, okay, you can adjust to the right to hide the brightness. Or you can adjust to the left to low the brightness. This is the first adjustment, okay. You can adjust on the second option, okay. So you'll have to do is slide from top to bottom. And you can see the brightness adjustment. Okay, you can adjust to the right, to high, and you can adjust to the left, to low the brightness. And okay guys, that's it. Okay, we have successfully adjust brightness level on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.